In today's video, we're going to be removing the spare wheel and the mechanism. That will allow us to put a freshwater and wastewater tank below the van in that space. So let's get started. Hi, my name's Jason, this is my daughter Noah, and together we're going to transform this VW Crafter into the ultimate camper van. Like, subscribe and follow us on your journey. So the first job, remove this bit trim, then this bit rubber gear, and then inside here there's another bit rubber. It just sits on top of the bolt. So now we come to the passenger side footwell, remove this cover, remove this one here, we're wanting this one here. Now it's a square end, it just slides on like that. This bit here is 19mm, I just use a 19mm socket. And as I slacken it, you'll start to see it. Now we've got to slide the wheel out. Using the same 19mm ratchet. Just got to unslacken this nut. That's it. Don't need that. Let's lift this up here. Put that through there. That's it. Take the wheel out. So this has got the wheel off. Next job, to remove all the mechanism. Next job is removing this. The 13mm. The reason I'm moving this is because I'm going to be fitting my wastewater and freshwater tank here. So that's the reason that I'm moving all this. Plus it's weight wise. It's not a hard job. So this is a 16mm at this side. Take that out. That's that done. So back to 13mm again. Slot that off. Hopefully when I put the water tank up, I could use some of the nuts. So that's it. That's the mechanism removed. If you enjoyed that video, why not hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.